Hello, my dear children. Myself, L.K. Tripathi from LPM Public School as your SST teacher. Dear student, today I have a new video that is from your civics portion, Democracy and Equality. This chapter will enable us to know much more about the democracy and equality. Equality is the basic quality of democracy. Whenever we talk about the glory of the democracy, first of all we talk about the equality. Means without equality there is no importance of democracy. So better for us to start it. Summer vacations we are almost getting over, and the children of Adarsh Cooperative Society, we are planning to organize a mango eating competition for the elders. This is just an example of democracy. Let's watch it seriously and discuss after that. It would be the best way to beat the heat, they thought. Mansi informed her father excitedly, "Papa, we will organize the competition on the last Sunday of June. Please keep yourself free." Mr. Mathur, however, was not free on Sunday. "Beta, all of us will be busy in the general body meeting of the Residents Welfare Association of our society." Her father replied that he was not free on that day. They had some essential work and important work to join there. That was the Residents Welfare Association of the society. The committees look after the general administration of our society, so all the residents of the society have to attend the meeting. He said. Mansi was disappointed. "But Papa, why is it so important to elect the managing committee?" Mansi asked her father when he replied that he was not free that day. "Beta, we live in a democracy, and electing a body that would take care of governance is an important aspect of democracy." Her father told gently, "Beta, we live in a democracy, and electing a body that would take care of governance is an important aspect of democracy. Don't we have election to elect the government of our country? क्या हमारे यहाँ चुनाव नहीं है जिससे हम गवर्नमेंट को इलेक्ट कर सकें?" मिस्टर माथुर रिप्लाइड, "Elections, democracy were some of the terms Mansi had learned in her previous class and also heard them on television many times. As Mansi, watching television, had learned in her previous class, also she was well known through this television about the democracy. But surely democracy must be something really important. She wanted to know more about it. In this chapter, we will learn more about democracy. ये चैप्टर हमको डेमोक्रेसी के बारे में बहुत कुछ बताएगा. आइए जानते हैं. मीनिंग ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी. Democracy means rule of the people. It is combination of two Greek words, demos, which means people, and kratos, which means rule. American President Abraham Lincoln described democracy as government of the people, by the people, and for the people. Abraham Lincoln, who is regarded as the best president of America, he was very generous leader. Also, he was social reformer. So many initiatives he took in America to abolish slavery, which was prevalent from very early time in America. The credit goes to him to abolish it. In Mansi society, the managing committee is a mini government. It will be made up of people living in the society. It will be elected by the residents of the society, and it will look after the administration of the society. It means democracy is of the people, by the people, and for the people. Today, democracy is the most powerful and popular form of government all around the world. When and how did democracy originate? Let's look the journey of democracy. इसका ओरिजिनेशन कैसे हुआ, कैसे प्रोमिनेंस में आया, हम इसको देखते हैं.